That's a nice sink rack. Comes nicely wrapped. It is made of metal with rubber, and it has a dish holder that's going to sit on top of the sink as we unwrap it. Depending on the sink you have and the faucets you have, you want to make sure everything goes on properly. It's a rollable sink rack that will go in the dishwasher and safe to wash or wash in the water. As we try to figure out how this goes on, we're looking at the parts. One in the right hand is your dishwash holder. It is snap on to the dish rack, and the other one will go over the sink and hold on. So we're going to line it up with the poles the other way, lay it on the sink and get things out of our way, and put the dish rack holder with the dishes on, like so. When we wash our dishes and want it to dry, we take a dish and we place it on the rack. And that is how the dish rack dries. We'll show a smaller dish on there and put it in a different area to show you how it sits on.
You put it this way or that way.
They go either way as you like.
That's the way it goes.
Exactly the way it goes and how it looks. Fits on most sinks available on the market. If you have a different size sink, there are different size racks for your needs.
When it's dry, you put them away.
How do you roll up the rack? Just like so. And you put it away to the side the next time you need to do your dishes.